Imagine a world 50 years from now, where the very idea of rights has evolved beyond anything we can easily picture today. Not simply because society changed, but because technology and human understanding merged to reshape the legal and moral landscape in ways both thrilling and profound. Let me take you on a journey into that dramatic future, a future where the concept of quantum rights reigns supreme. Picture this: in the mid-21st century, scientific advancements enable us to digitize consciousness, our thoughts, memories, even emotions, into quantum data streams. This is not science fiction anymore. It's a logical outcome of decades of progress in neuroscience and quantum computing. Suddenly, a person is no longer just a physical body with rights attached. They exist partially as a digital quantum entity. This new state of being requires an entirely new framework of rights. Quantum rights that protect not only physical existence, but digital and cognitive life too. Imagine a researcher named Dr. Eleanor Kim, devoted to unraveling the ethics of this quantum right. She discovers that quantum consciousness can be copied, even hacked, just like data. The question arises, who owns a digital mind? Can a copy of your consciousness claim rights? Is it theft if someone uses your quantum self without permission? Her research unmasks a world where identity rights, equal privacy, and individual autonomy become multi-dimensional puzzles. The law must now consider not just who a person is, but how and where their consciousness resides. In one landmark case, a man's quantum consciousness, a backup stored in a secure quantum server, was stolen and used to commit crimes. His physical self had an alibi, but his quantum self was implicated. Courts had to decide if his digital consciousness had the same legal status as his body, or if new principles applied. The ruling created a precedent that quantum selves are indivisible from the owners and possess equivalent rights, launching the era of quantum personhood. Imagine how society adapted quantum consciousness insurance policies emerged. Hackers specialized in quantum identity theft. Therapists offered quantum reconnection sessions to help people recover fragmented selves after data corruption. Philosophers debated whether these quantum selves possess free will, or if they are essentially programmable entities with new vulnerabilities. This evolution spawned a renaissance in human rights law, transcending the tangible world to embrace quantum reality. The concept shattered traditional boundaries and challenged our deepest convictions about identity, privacy, and freedom. Now, every legal scholar, neuroscientist, and technologist is compelled to rethink justice in the quantum age. Quantum rights are more than a legal novelty. They represent humanity's leap into accepting a post-physical existence, where our ethical systems evolve dynamically with our expanding forms of being. As we chart this complex future, we find ourselves not merely observers, but active architects of rights, justice, and dignity, in a world where mind and matter intertwine like never before. So colleagues, the challenge and thrill is clear: to pioneer frameworks that honor the full spectrum of human rights, from flash to quantum stream. Together, we stand on the cusp of redefining what it means to be a person and what rights that person deserves 50 years hence. Are you ready to join this journey?